quick coffee ride from Leek to Congleton on the way to Woodhouse Green shooting grounds by Timbersbrook. Oh, and lately I've started intermittent fasting, and I am really looking forward for your opinions about this type of diet. So I'm incredibly interested with your opinion about this, so let me know down in the comment below. How do you getting on with it? What's working, what's not? Week 1 of 18/6 just passed me. It wasn't too bad, however I felt a bit lightheaded every now and again. I think that's due to lack of carbohydrates in my diet. So yeah, let me know, how do you cope with it? Living in a hilly area, demand requires from you basically explosive power every now and again, so it's incredibly difficult to maintain the amount of energy from fat and protein, in my opinion. Well, if you know any trick, let me know. Going back to the intermittent fasting, black coffee absolutely works for me, stopping the hunger entirely. Freshly resurfaced gravel section. Not too shabby, but other than that, it's incredibly boggy this morning. No, that's not what I expected today. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna have to give it a go somehow. Oh dearie. Oh, now what? Okay, see, that wasn't too bad. Quite dodgy this morning, especially after yesterday's downpour. Gooseberry Lane. Oh yes. Nice. It's not that warm anymore, but still better than ice cold water. I'm on the part of Gritstone Trail leading from White Nancy, I guess, in Bollington, all the way down to the Mow Cop. And here we are, first public bridleway. So let's do this. Nice. Just what I needed. Clean my tires. I'm not far off coffee stop, so just go for it. I'm in Bird Town right now. Congleton, following a route to my cycling shop. Pop in to have a look. They offer pretty good deals on some bikes around here, so have a look. On we. Cool. Cauldon Canal above me. So I just had a pretty decent average coffee at Greg's and a pack of yum yums to top the calories. That's a perfect gravelly stretch, flattish of course, of Biddulph Valley Way from Congleton into Stoke-on-Trent. I don't get it, what's wrong with these people my age riding e-bikes. That's definitely not a way of preventing sarcopenia, but it's a personal choice, I guess, so this is just my opinion, so be it. I don't know where this mud from. It's been like that for the last couple of months. And followed National Cycle Network number 5. Bring it on. How can you say you're in England without saying you're in England? Yep. Due to the enormous amount of styles everywhere. Whee! Perfect lighting conditions today. Thank you. Right, so I'm on Chatterley Colliery excavation site. It's a pretty decent gravel ride. So nice. Still some reminiscence of ice on the gravel path, so got to be pretty careful. So good. There's some farm truck next to the canal. And perfect gravel in Stoke-on-Trent. These are last bits of chunky gravel before the hitting tarmac. $50k past me, decent coffee loop to Congleton, back through Biddulph Valley Way. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up or consider subscribing to the channel.